welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. This is the current state of good old Oklahoma. Oh, look at the little snowmans. Okay, hold on, God. I ain't trying to. Oh, shit. Okay, they was. They said they got things to do. Things to do, places to go, people to see. Anywho, I'm so mad I gotta be out in this and have to leave my damn warm house, but I got shit to do, y'all. I hope you guys are having a great week so far, a great day so far. I am, for the most part. I need to be grateful. You know, and not sweat the small stuff. So that's what I'm gonna choose to do. I'm gonna choose to be grateful. So yeah. What am I doing today? I'm working today, you guys, but out in the field. So I'm gonna try to get some clips here and there. I'm gonna try to vlog for you guys. Don't know how it's gonna go, but it should be all right. The roads are pretty clear for the most part. Hopefully y'all can see that. So yeah, I'll be back when something hopefully more interesting is going on. I'm back, y'all. Look who I got with me.
Gang in this whole Eve's residence.
I can't stand him. Anywho, y'all, I gotta get gas. Well, I don't have to get gas, but I'm choosing to get gas so that I don't have to get gas later.
You're trying to use me to pump the gas.
I ain't using you to pump the gas.
In the cold. But that is what our kings are for.
Oh, is that right? Oh, the heat had to go, darn. Oh, I'm not going in. I gave you your mask. What's the zip code? Yeah. No, I don't need a receipt. Cold, y'all. Cold. I like to go sit my behind in the car, child. Look at the weather, y'all. We actually have snow in December. Oklahoma. I don't know. I guess it just depends on the year. Sometimes we have snow in December and then sometimes we don't. I had to get me a medium caramel frappe from McDonald's. Do y'all ever get these? I love them. Ooh. It's already done. Can y'all see that say $16? It wasn't exactly empty, so. That makes sense. Oh, hey, I feel like I just got back in the car. Gotta make sure you get all the gas in there. All right. Just hold it straight. You got this music down on it. No copyright. Ooh, it's so pretty.
Ooh.
in. Let me roll these windows up. I guess this is gonna end up being like a car vlog or something, because I think I've been in the car all day vlogging. But anywho, looks like the sun is coming out, so some of the snow and ice and stuff is starting to melt. The roads are still pretty clear and dry for the most part. Let me see if I can show y'all real quick. So yes, you guys, this is what it's looking like. I've just been out and about on the road, in the field, doing stuff for work. Just left the office. It was nice actually being in the office today. They actually permanently sent us home, where we're working from home now, but like we can still go to the office to like print and fax and all that kind of stuff. So it was nice to get some paperwork done actually in the office. I miss the office vibes. Like, we used to have so much fun in our office. Like, our office was lit, okay? It was lit. That was our time to come together, clown, and you know, lunchtime, and decorating cubicles in our supervisors' offices for different holidays and stuff. I really, really miss that. That was the part that we, like, most of us really look forward to. So, anywho, I was in there by myself, but you know, it was still nice to be in the office. So, yes, you guys, we're still out and about. Sun look like it's trying to come out. Maybe the snow will be a little melted. I think it's supposed to be, it's 37 right now. It looked like it's gonna be in the 40s tomorrow, so it'll probably definitely be melted by tomorrow. But yes, you guys, I'll probably check in with y'all at home when I get done with running around or whatever. If I end up doing something interesting or going to a store or something, I'll probably come back. But yes, y'all, sorry this is probably gonna be a car vlog, but you know, that's what Vlogmas is about, just showing y'all what we do on a day-to-day basis. So, alright, y'all, I'll be back. Y'all, why am I going back in this store? Just be out spending money, don't make no sense. Hopefully we can find something in here for my brother and my nephew for Christmas. We'll see. Okay, y'all, I should have known that they probably wasn't gonna have what I needed in here. She said he likes like Egyptian cotton or whatever it's called kind of sheets, and I should have known they wasn't gonna have it in here. They have this, but I don't know if this is good enough, and I can't tell the thread count on this. It's probably low as heck, so I think I'm gonna go to Marshall's or Ross maybe another day to see if I can find them some. Probably not today though, because I need to get home and figure out what I'm gonna cook for dinner, and I need to take it out. I need to do some laundry and get some stuff done. So probably stay tuned for that in a future vlog of us trying to find something like that. So yeah, y'all, I'll be back. Alright, y'all, here is the last look of Oklahoma weather at its finest. This is look like it's pretty much melting for the most. I did not find nothing at Marshall's or Five Below. They were both fails, y'all. Fails across the board. It's ridiculous. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because I'm about to go in here, honey, cook dinner, spend time with my husband, all that good stuff. So I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 18. Bye.